Hello, my name is Kamile Wayit. I'm Uyghur and working as engineer in the United States. As a lot of Chinese people are celebrating Lunar New Year with their family members, we, many Uyghurs, are still unable to connect with our loved ones. Today, unfortunately, I'm here to share another sad news with you. My 19-year-old sister, Kamile Wayit, has been detained last month on December 12th. She was a freshman in college, studying preschool education at a university in Hebei province of China. However, when she went back for winter break, she has been detained by the local Auto City police after her arrival at home. She is a caring, courageous, and clever girl. She is innocent and committed no crime. I demand Chinese authorities to release her immediately and let her speak to me. I won't stop until she is freed. Please help her released by sharing this video. Thank you.